on Lucas 360, and we're making a project with our screen door.
So guys, yeah, today our screen broke from our dog, so we're just changing the screen door with some fiberglass screen. There's also aluminum ones. There's different colors, charcoal. You can pick out which one you want. This is the screen spline. There is different sizes. This is 0.140. It's a standard size. So you have to bring the old one with you so you can measure it. And that's it. So we're gonna do a time-lapse video. You're gonna need a screen tool. So yeah. So anyway, we're gonna do this. So I hope this helps you guys. It's kind of tools we need.
We need a screen tool. Be careful. Remember, very sharp. Remember, you need to wear your safety glasses.
Yep. Where's your safety glasses?
Over here.
Safety first.
Safety first. So you recognize me. Ow.
That's better.
Much more better.
All right, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, just so you know, when we put the screen door in, you're gonna see that these rollers are on a bit of a spring, and that's how you get it inside the track. So,
yes,
all right, guys.
Like this.
So.